Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step process of drawing freehand line sketches. This is a very simplistic and beautiful style of sketching, and you can create amazing portraits in this style, like the one you are seeing right now. Have you recognized him? Okay, I guess you have. So, without any further ado, let's start sketching. So here's the reference image, and first of all I will start by identifying the area that the sketch is going to take on my sheet. If you are a beginner, then I won't recommend you to skip this step. I am breaking down the reference image into very simple shapes, like a circle for the head. As you can see the world around you, there are no lines, but only shapes. When you see something, just try to break it down into shapes. Very simple shapes like circle, triangle, rectangle, just like that. Because breaking down something into shapes will not only help you draw freehand, but it will also help you to draw something from imagination. As you can see, I have sketched out a very rough idea of the reference image. Now I can easily sketch. So like always, I will start with sketching the eye first. It is my personal preference because it becomes much easier to relate other facial features with the eye. At this time, I have forgotten all the facial features. I am just focused on the eye, and I am trying to break it down into simplistic shapes. Like for the eyelid and eye, you can see there are parallel lines. I am using the pencil very lightly so that if I do any mistake, I can easily erase it. Now I have to determine the position of the nose. For this, I have drawn a vertical line starting from the end of the eye. You will see how I draw vertical and horizontal lines to determine the position of the facial features. So far, I have done the basic outlines for the sketch. Now it's time to do a little shading with lines. I am trying to keep this sketch as simple as possible. So for the shading, I will do just parallel lines. The distance of the parallel lines will depend upon the value. So friends, the sketch is almost complete and I hope you liked this video. Friends, if you want me to keep uploading such art videos and tutorials for you, then do support my channel by sharing this video and subscribing to my channel. If you have got any queries or suggestions for me, then do comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.